Good day everyone. Good day sir. Today we will discuss about enhancing ship buoyancy and stability utilizing Archimedes fundamental together with my group mates. We all know that there are things that sink and float in the water. Some objects are floats, others don't. And some sink in the water like submarine. How do submarines sink in the water? How ship and submarine design and how they maintain stability in the water. These questions are best answered using the law of buoyancy, or also known as the principles, Archimedes principles. His significant discoveries, particularly the law of buoyancy principle, opened the door for several advancements in ship operation and naval construction. His most well-known theory as the Archimedes principle. So, what is Archimedes principles?
According to Archimedes' principle, any floating object displays of a volume of fluid equal to its weight. The relationship between a material's weight and the weight of the liquid displaced determines how buoyant the substance is. The weight of the water a ship displays of its floats on water is equal to its weight of the ship as a whole. When we say buoyancy or upthrust in the word, it is referred when a fluid exerts as upward force against the weight of an item that is partially or totally submerged. A land ship, for instance, sinks into the ocean until the water it displays sways. Exactly the same as the ship itself, because the ship sinks deeper when it's loaded. More water is displaced, and as a result, the buoyant force continuously equals the ship's and its cargo's weight. How is Archimedes' principle applied in the design of ships and submarines?
The Archimedes principle is used in the design of ships and submarines to guarantee their stability and ability to stay afloat while traveling through water. The buoyancy or force that keeps these vessels afloat, as well as their displacement and center of gravity, may be calculated with the aid of this theory by marine engineers and naval architects. Engineers can create stable, safe-to-sail vessels and employing mathematical computation. According to NASA, being submerged, submarines must carefully calculate buoyant force in order to stay afloat. They are equipped with water-filled ballast tanks that allow the boat to sink by increasing its weight. The ballast tanks can be emptied to allow the vessel to rise to the surface and lowering its weight. The submarine includes adjustable ballast tanks that allow water to enter the craft, balancing the pressure inside and outside the vessel and preserving its buoyancy. When we say ballast tank, it is a compartment that holds water and is used as ballast in a boat, ship, or other floating structure that can be used to reduce or control buoyancy.
How Archimedes' principle is utilized to the stability of ships. The ingenious invention of Archimedes modifies the weight distribution of the ship to help maintain stability. Ballast tanks are used to adjust variations in weight and balance when cargo is loaded or unloaded from a ship. Naval architects were able to devise this ingenious ship solution because of Archimedes' idea of buoyancy. They may use ballast tanks to control draft modification by knowing how items move water according to their weight and volume. Ballasting devices are essential for maximizing fuel efficiency in addition to preserving steady drafts and during loading and unloading operations. Through the strategic management of water displacements in these tanks, boats can attain ideal trim conditions that lower drag resistance and improve overall performance.
In conclusion, the importance of Archimedes in the maritime sector is unmatched because of this concept of Archimedes is very important in sailing benefits and development in marine engineering. This idea shaped countless the developments in ship design and serve as the foundation for our understanding of buoyancy. The ideas and concepts of him is essential on utilizing the stability of the ships and ability to stay afloat as well as the equipment that keeps them running. This helps increase a ship's stability in water. Ballast tanks, a design derived from Archimedes' principle. The principle has had a major impact on maritime engineering and power ship operations. Because of modern technology, we have this principle of Archimedes can be used in conjunction or with the use of modern technologies we today in order to have further improvement in the buoyancy and stability of the ship. The advancement of this principle of Archimedes will develop an innovative idea that will help people, especially those people who work related ships and water.
We can help in developing new and innovating ideas by investing in research related to this principle, working with people that has knowledge about it and supporting the development of new ideas to build a safer, more efficient, and sustainable maritime environment transportation. And here are references from which we source data. That's all. Thank you for listening.